Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on a late Friday night. What time is it? Almost midnight, almost Saturday morning. Looking at Providence under clear skies, we are cold and dry. Temperatures are settling back into the upper 20s. And essentially, we've got a quiet but cold weekend ahead. Both Saturday and Sunday, threat tracker is low. There's really no big high-impact weather or storms or widespread precipitation this weekend. That includes Monday as well. The temperatures will continue to run below average through at least Monday. Looking at the satellite and radar composite, the skies are dry and clear. Of course, the big weather story continues to be these intense, localized lake effect snow squalls. Now we're looking at Buffalo. You know, what's amazing about these snow squalls is, first of all, you look at the orientation, the structure. In terms of length, they can be, hundreds of miles long in length. They're very skinny and narrow, but the width can sometimes be 10, 20, 30 miles across. So the exact location as to where they set up really dictates just how much snow will fall. Now, as of the almost midnight hour, there is a place just south of Buffalo by about 8 miles called Orchard Park. It's where the Buffalo Bills play. And right in here, 66, more than likely this is up to 70 inches now, but 66 inches at last check. There's not as much in downtown Buffalo, but you just go 8 miles south of the city in the southern suburbs, 5.5 feet and still snowing, and this will continue. Again, this is all due to very cold air. Let me show you the temperatures passing over the relatively warm waters of the Great Lakes. So what happens is these cold, dry winds actually pick up lake moisture and then downwind it, deposit it as these narrow bands of intense snow. This is called lake effect snow. And then some of these amounts in upstate New York may be historic. In the meantime, we're a lot quieter here in southern New England. Cold on your Saturday morning, starting off in the upper 20s to around 30 at 7 a.m., 11 o'clock in the morning, 39. So Saturday's dry, sunny, colder than average. But what's nice, it's not as windy as what we had on Friday. So there's less wind. Temperatures around 44 for the afternoon high. No weather issues for Saturday night if you're heading out. Unfortunately, Sunday is windy and colder, and it's very windy. You can see gusts up to, probably 30, 35 miles per hour on Sunday. So the wind not quite as strong on the bay. Looking at west-southwest, 10 to 15, maybe some gusts to 20 knots. We'll call it breezy, but not as windy. And the visibility is unlimited. And we take a look at the 7-day forecast here. And we are quite windy and much colder here on Sunday, 39. That Patriots game looks dry, but windy and cold. Windy, cold, dry on Monday, 43. What's nice about this extended forecast, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these are all big travel days before Thanksgiving, and locally it looks fine. The early call on Thanksgiving Thursday is still cool and dry in mid-40s with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Seeing signs of a potential storm on Friday in the form of rain and wind. That's still several days, obviously, down the road, but something that we'll keep an eye on. But in the meantime, just a cold, dry weekend with Sunday being very windy and colder. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.